Good morning, students. So, last topic in 8th class, playing with the numbers. Playing with numbers. We know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are these are numbers. So numbers are different types. Natural numbers. Natural numbers means we are counted everything around us. So that is a natural numbers. Natural numbers are another name counted numbers. Next whole numbers. Natural numbers and including zero, that is whole numbers. We know integers, positive numbers and negative numbers including zero, that is integers. That's it, we are called integers. So numbers we know, in earlier classes we learned that numbers. So here playing, we know playing means. So playing with the numbers. So here divisibility rules is a very most important. Divisibility. So any number, a large number or small number, or 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, any digit number. How to define 2, how to define 3, how to define 4, how to define 5, how to define 6, how to divisible 7, how to divisible 8, how to divisible 9, how to divisible 10. So how to divisible 11, 12, 13. So how to we say, so we are using this divisibility rule. So easily we cannot do division, we easily say we have one idea. So this is divisible by 2, this is cannot divisible by 2, this is divisible by 4, this is cannot divisible by 5. How do we say? So we must and should know divisibility. So divisibility rules. First, all divisibility rules I said after you are right and applying the numbers. So two divisibility rules. Two divisibility rule. What is two divisibility rule? So a number divided by 2 when in that number one's place has an even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. That number is divisible by 2. So a number divided by 2 when in that number one's place even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. One's place even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Here 628 by 2. So this is divisible or not divisible? How do we say? See, a number divided by 2 when in that number one's place even number. So here one's place is 8, even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that number is divisible by 2. Here ones place which number? Even number. Ones place even number. So 628 divided by 2 divisible. That is next one. 5, 3, 1, 9, 0 divided by 2. So here ones place. Ones place which number? 0. Now 0 is a even number. So ones place even number. 53,190 by divided by 2 is divisible. This is 2 divisibility. Next one, 3 divisibility. Right. Divisibility. 3 divisibility. Here a number divided by 3 when a number divided by 3 when sum of the all digits of the number divisible by 3, that number also divisible. That number also divisible. See, a number divided by 3. Let's one number 5312. A number divided by 3. Let's one number when sum of the all digits of that number. See, 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. 5312. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11. 11 divided by 3. 11 divided by 3. Are divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So digits of that number are divisible by 3. This is a divisible by 3. That number also divisible. See, 5312 divided by 3 not divisible. Next, another example. 60,537. So divided by 3. This is divisible or not divisible. So given number, sum of the all numbers how much? 6 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 divided by 3. So divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So 60,537 divided by 3 is divisible. Divisible. Right. Next one. For divisibility. For divisibility. A number divided by 4 when in that number last two places are divisible by 4, that number also are divisible. That number also divisible. Example. Here a number divided by 4. When we say in that number, given number, last two places like ones, tens, divisible by 4, that number also divisible by 4. So here divided by 4. 8,464. Here last two places what? Ones, tens. 64 divided by 4. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. Divisible. So 8,464 divided by 4 is also divisible. Next one. 7,62,896 divided by 4. Divisible or not divisible? So last two places, here ones, here tens. These two places are divisible or not divisible? You check. 4 2s are 4 40. 24 4s are 96. So divisible. 7,62,896 divided by 4 is also divisible. Right. Next. 5 divisibility rule. when in that number ones place 0 or 5 has ones place 0 or 5 has that number divisible by 5. So here example 5080. Here ones place which number? 0. So ones place 0 or 5, any number. So ones place is 0. So 5080 divided by 5 is divisible. Next one. So 7,78,954 divided by 5. Here ones place is 4. So actually ones place which digits 0 or 5, that numbers has in ones place that number divisible by 5, but here ones place 4. So 78,954 divided by 5 is not divisible. Copy this one. Next one. Sixth divisibility rule. Six divisibility rule. So a number divided by 6 divisible by 6 when that number divisible by 2 and 3. Simple. Like 2 3s are how much? 6. So 6 factors 2 and 3. So here divided by 6. So this number divisible by 6. How to? When that number divisible by 2 and 3. 5623 divided by 3. You check. 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 divided by 3 not divisible. So any one of the number not divisible, that also not divisible. 5623 divided by 2 in ones place. Actually 2 divisibility rule what? In ones place even number, but here given odd number. In ones place odd number not divisible. So 5623 divided by 6, not divisible. Next one, another example. 45 divided by 6. So here 3 divisibility. 7545 divided by 3. 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. 5 5 10. 7 plus 4 11. 21 divided by 3. So 21 divided by 3. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. Here next one. 7545 divided by 2. So in ones place which number? Here 5 is odd number, not divisible. So here one number is divisible, one number is not divisible. Totally 7565 not divisible. Not divisible. Why? 3 is a divisible. 3 rules satisfy and 2 rule not satisfy. Both rules satisfy. In this case 6 also divisible. So any number not divisible, 6 also not divisible. Copy. Next one, 7 divisibility. 7 divisibility rule, some different. Divisibility rule. A number divided by 7 when subtract twice one's number or 2 times one's place number, subtract from left digits ones place 2 times from left to digit in that numbers. So here example 364 divided by 7. 364. So ones place which number? 8. 4. 4 2 times. Ones place 4. 4 2 times how much? 8. So lefting numbers 36. So 36 minus 8. How much? 28. So these difference divided by 7 divisible or not divisible? Divisible. Divisible. So 364 divided by 7 is also divisible. Next one. 7035 divided by 7. So 5 double ones place. So ones place 5 double how much is 10. So remaining lefting numbers 73 minus 10 63. So 63 divided by 7 divisible or not divisible? Divisible. Divisible. So 735 divided by 7 is also divisible. Right. Next, 8 divisibility rule. What is the 4 divisibility rule? Last 2 numbers. But here 8 last 3 digit numbers. Divisibility rule. A number divisible by 8 when in that number last 3 places. And divisible by 8. That number also divisible. That number also divisible. Example 8216 divided by 8. So here last 2 digit numbers 216 divided by 8 are divisible or not divisible? So 8 2 is 16, 8 7 is 56. 266 is 16 divisible by 8. So 8216 divided by 8 is divisible. So next one, 9 divisibility rule. What is the 9 divisibility rule? As it is 3 divisibility rule. Simple, remember in your mind. 9 divisibility rule. A number divided by 9, a number divisible by 9 when sum of the all digits, sum of the all digits divisible by 9, that number also divisible. That number also divisible. So here 5639 divided by 9. So 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9. How much? 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 3, 23 divided by 9. So divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. Not divisible. So 5639 divided by 9 is not divisible. Next one. Divided by 9. So 6 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3. 18 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9. Divisible or not divisible? 9 2s are 18 or divisible. So 6273 divided by 9 is divisible. So 10 divisibility rule we know. In ones place only 0, that is a 10 divisibility rule. Write this one. Divisibility rule. A number divided by 10 divisible by 10 when in that number ones place, when in that number ones place 0, that number is divisible. So 5620 divided by 10. Here ones place which number? 0. Ones place 0. So divisible is divisible. Next one. Now we are going to exercise 15.1. Here using divisibility rule. Find which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 5 and 6. Say yes or no. In the given table, what do you observe? Exercise 15.1, very easy. This first problem, number divisible by 2, divisible by 5, divisible by 10. So just yes or no. 524. This is divisible by 2. Yes or no? In one's place, even number. So this number divisible by 2. Yes. Divisible by 5. Yes or no? In one's place. What is the 5 divisibility rule? In one's place, 0 or 5. Here given 4. So this is not divisible. What is 10 divisibility rule? In one's place only 0. That number is divisible by 10. Here not 0, one's place. So this is also not divisible. Next one. 1200. So here one's place. What is 2 divisibility rule? In one's place even number. So 0 is a even number. So this is divisible by 2. Next, divisible by 5. In one's place 0 or 5. But here 0 given. This is also divisible. What 10 divisibility? In one's place 0. Here given 0. So this is also divisible. Next, 535. So what is 2 divisibility rule? In one's place even number, but here given odd number. So 2 not divisible. What is the 5 divisibility rule? In one's place 0 or 5, but here given 5. So 5 is a divisible. Yes. So 10 divisibility rule. In one's place 0 or 0 only. So here given 5 not divisible. Next one. 836. In one's place 6. 6 is a even number. So divisible. In one's place 0 or 5, but here given 6 not divisible. Here only 0, 10 divisibility, but here given 6 not divisible. Next one is 780. Here one's place 0. So 0 is a odd number, even number. So this is a divisibility rule. A divisibility rule 5. So in one's place 0 or 5, 0 given, yes. 10 divisibility rule. In one's place 0 only. Here also 0, yes. Next one. 3005. So in one's place 5 not divisible. Here yes. Here not divisible. Next one. 4820 divisible. Yes. Yes. Yes, divisible. Next one. 48,630. Yes. 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 Enough. Right. Next one. Second one. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So here divisibility rule 2 given, just check the divisibility rule. Following problems. So first one 2144. 2144 divided by 2. So this is a divisible or not divisible? Easily said, divisible. Divisibility rule 2 divisibility. What? A number divisible by 2 when in that number in one's place even numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2144 divided by 2 is divisible. Next one. 1258 divided by 2. So 2 divisibility rule. A number divisible by 2 when in that number in one's place even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1258 divided by 2 is divisible. So remaining 3 problems homework. I hope on every student understand these problems. Next one. Using a divisibility rule test, determine which of the following numbers is divisible by 5. Homework. Using a divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers divisible by 10. Homework. So write the numbers of the factors of the following. So factors write. So in this one, C homework, D homework, E homework. Next one, third Roman, divisibility. By 5, all problems homework. Next, divisibility by 10, all problems homework. So next problem, 5th one. Eighteen factors. Prime factorization, not just factors. Eighteen factors. We know what is a factor. A number 18 divided by another number. That number is a factor of 18. So 18, like you see, 1 8 jar, 1 18 jar, 18. So 1 is a factor. 2 9s are 18. 2 is a factor. 3 6 jar, 18. 6 is 3 is a factor. Next, 6 3 jar, 18. 6 is a factor. Next, 9 2 jar, 18. So 9 is a factor. 18 1 jar, 18. 18 is a factor. That is a factors. 24. 1 24s are 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6s are 24. Actually reverse. 6 4s are 8 3s are 12 2s are 24 1 day. So 1 factor, 2 factor, 3 factor, 4 factor, 6 factor, 8 factor, 12 factor, 24 factor. Next, 45. 145s are 3 15s are 5 9s are. So 1 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 15 is a factor, 45 is a factor. 90 factors. So 90 factors. 90 to 45s. 90, 330s, 90, 10 9s, 90. So 1, 2, 3, 5 also. 5 18s, 90. 10 10s, 90. So 5, 10, 9, 10, 18, 30, 45, 90 factors. Remaining is 195. Write that one. Next one. Write any 5 numbers which are divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Your own. Sixth one. Any 5 numbers, our wish. So, divisible by 2, divisible by 5, divisible by 10. 6 numbers you take. 5340 divided by 2, 5300 divided like 5 numbers here. These 5 numbers divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Why? Here common rule in ones place 0. So 2 in ones place 0 divisible by 2. 5 in ones place 0 divisible by 5. 10 in ones place 0 divisible by 10. Next one, a number 34a is exactly divisible by 2 and leave remainder 1. When divided by 5, then find a. 7th. Sorry. Here given number what 34a. So here one digit. That digit we don't know. So these one divided by 2 and remainder 1 leaves divided by 5 also. So here there let a equal to 0. So 340 divided by 2 is divisible as, and 340 divided by 5 is divisible, but they are given remainder 1. Here remainder no. So 0, a is not 0. So which number you keep? Right. So not value. Let a equal to 6. So 346 divided by 2 is divisible. 346 divided by 5 is not divisible. Is divisible and the remainder 1. So now a value 6. So here see 5 6 are 30, 6 5 9 are 45. Remainder 1. So 1 we are subtract 345. So now remainder 1. 345 divided by 9. So now here keep here 6. 346 is divided by 2. Right. So exercise 5.1 finish. Shall leave the class. Take care.